Are you getting notifications that your storage is running low? Is your device slowing down due to insufficient memory? You could choose to delete some apps or content, but most people don't really want to lose anything on their phone. In this video, we've listed 4 top methods and provided detailed steps to successfully free up space on your phone. Best of all, these methods don't require downloading any new apps or learning any advanced skills. Let's get started. For ensuring a better user experience, a lot of apps use stored or cached data. The cached data can save you time when loading similar apps, but they take a lot of space on the device. You can clear the cache by following those simple steps and getting more space in your memory. Firstly, visit the Settings menu and open the Application tab. Here you will see the Application Manager option. Just open it and tap on the app or select multiple apps. Now in the Information menu, click on the Storage and then on the Clear Cache button. You can easily get rid of all unwanted downloads on your Android. Locating the files can be tricky, but we will show you how to find and remove them. Firstly, open the Files app on your phone. Now at the bottom of the page, click on the Clean button. Here 2 options will be presented: Junk Files or Delete Download Files. You can click on See Junk Files or Select Files to decide which you want to delete, then press the Clear or Delete button once, and then once more if the system asks you to do that. If you want to directly access internal storage or recover accidentally deleted data, try using an Android data manager. DryItKit, the Android mobile toolkit, is software that runs on your PC or Mac, giving you full control over all your Android data. It's designed as a complete Android solution, including data management, data recovery, and data recovery from damaged systems. Firstly, get DryItKit installed on your computer, then launch the software and choose Device Manager and Data Manager as below and click Start. Now connect your device to the computer and start. Here you can click Export Content to view data in your internal storage, or click Photos, Videos, etc. to access data by category. Furtherly, if you need to access data by category, you can click Data Type directly. Taking photos as an example, you can delete photos, transfer photos to a PC. All settings and data on your device are deleted when you perform a factory reset, so please note it's crucial to back up any relevant data before conducting a factory reset. Firstly, on your smartphone, select System under Settings, then look for and choose Backup and Reset or Reset options, then choose Erase All Data or a comparable option should be used. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the factory reset. Remember that a factory reset will remove your phone's data and settings, so you should only do it as a last option if all other attempts to free up space on your phone have failed. That's all. Clearing space on your Android phone is essential for optimal performance. The various methods in this video can help you free up storage. However, DryItKit simplifies the process even more. Download DryItKit for free and start using it today. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.